വെൽക്കം ടു ഈസി ടു ലേൺ. ഈസി ടു ലേണിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കേരള PSC നടത്തുന്ന പ്രോഗ്രാമർ, സിസ്റ്റം അഡ്മിനിസ്ട്രേറ്റർ, സിസ്റ്റം അനലിസ്റ്റ് തുടങ്ങിയ പരീക്ഷകളുടെ മുമ്പ് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളും അതുപോലെ ചോദിക്കാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളുമാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. വിച്ച് ഡേറ്റ സ്ട്രക്ചർ അലൗസ് ഡിലീറ്റിംഗ് ഡേറ്റ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ഫ്രം ഫ്രണ്ട് ആൻഡ് ഇൻസേർട്ടിംഗ് അറ്റ് റെയർ ക്യൂസ്? Identify the data structure which allows deletion at both ends of the list but insertion at only one end. It is input restricted DQ. Which of the following data structure is non-linear type? None of these. These all are linear types. Which of the following data structure is linear type? All of these: strings, queues, and list. To represent hierarchical relationship between elements, which data structure is suitable? Tree. A binary tree whose every node has either 0 or 2 children is called extended binary tree. The binary tree whose every node has either 0 or 2 children is called extended binary tree. The depth of a complete binary tree is given by dn is equal to log 2n plus 1. The depth of the complete binary tree is dn, that is equal to log 2n plus 1. When representing any algebraic expression E which use only binary operation in a two trees, the variable in E will appears on external nodes and operation appears on internal nodes. A binary tree can easily be converted into Q2 tree by replacing each empty subtree by a new external node. A binary tree can easily be converted into Q2 tree by replacing an empty subtree by a new external node. When converting binary tree into extended binary tree, all the original nodes in binary tree are internal nodes on extended tree. The post-order traversal of binary tree is T, E, B, F, C, A. Find out the pre-order traversal. The pre-order traversal is A, B, D, E, C, F. Which of the following sorting algorithm is of divide and conquer type? Quicksort. Which of the following sorting algorithm is of divide and conquer type? Quicksort. An algorithm that calls itself directly or indirectly is known as recursion. An algorithm that calls itself directly or indirectly is called recursion. In a binary tree, certain null entries are replaced by special pointers which point to nodes higher in the tree for efficiency. These special pointers are called thread. In-order traversal of tree will yield a stored listing of elements of a tree's binary search tree. In-order traversal of tree will yield a sorted listing of elements of trees in binary search tree. In a heap tree, values in a node is greater than every value in children of it. In a heap tree, value nodes is greater than every value in children of it. In a graph, if E is equal to U and V, then UV are called all of above, endpoints of E, adjacent nodes and neighbors. A connected graph T without any cycle is called all of these: a tree graph, free tree, a tree. A connected graph T without any cycle is called a tree graph, free tree, or a tree. If E is equal to U and V means E begins at U and ends at V. U is processor and V is successor. If every node U in G is adjacent to every other node V in G, then a graph is called complete. Linked lists are not suitable data structure of which one of the following problems. Binary search. Linked lists are not suitable data structure of which one of these problem. Binary search. The number of possible order tree with 3 nodes A, B, C is 12. Which of the following algorithm design technique is used in the quicksort algorithm? Divide and conquer. Which of the following statement is true? Optical binary search tree construction can be performed efficiently using dynamic programming. Given two sorted lists of size m and n respectively, the number of comparison needed in the worst case by the merge sort algorithm will be m plus n minus 1. Merge sort use divide and conquer strategy. Which of the following algorithm design technique is used in the NQ's problem algorithm? Is divide and conquer. Which of the following is useful in traversing a given graph by breadth first search? Q. Which of the following is useful in implementing quicksort? Stack. An IP address is a numeric quantity that identifies a network adapter to other device on the network. You can make telephone calls over the internet using a technology called VoIP. What is the result of the following operation? Top, push S and X is X. The Q can be used to implement quicksort. The number of binary tree with 3 nodes which when traversed in post order gives the sequence A, B, C is 5. Sparse metrics have many zero. Sparse matrices have many zero. The postfix expression for star plus AB minus CD is AB plus CD minus star. A vertex of degree 1 is called parent. Representation of data structure in memory is known as abstract data type. Representation of data structure in memory is known as abstract data type. The information about an array that is used in a program will be stored in doc vector. Which of the following abstract data type can be used to represent a many-to-many relation graph? An algorithm is made up of two modules m1 and m2 in order to m1 in function fn and m2 in gn. Then the order of the algorithm is minimum fn and gn. Term data structure referred to dash and interrelationship between them. Organization of data element. The term data structure referred to organization of data element and interrelation between them. Data is a piece of information. In a data structure, data may be of two types. Single and non-decomposable data is called atomic data, and the atomic data is also called scalar data. With respect to a network interface card, the term 10 by 100 refer to megabyte per second. Megabyte per second. Which motherboard form factor uses 120 pin connector? ATX. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further divided into sectors. A West grounding strap contains which of the following? A resistor. Which standard governs parallel communication? IEEE 1284. In laser printer technology, what happens during the conditional stage? A uniform negative charge is placed on the photosynthetic drum. The complexity of linear search algorithm is log n. The complexity of binary search algorithm is log. The complexity of bubble sort algorithm is n2. The complexity of merge sort algorithm is log n. The indirect change of a value of a variable in one module by another module is called side effect. Which of the following data structure is not linear data structure? None of these. Which of the following data structure is linear data structure? Array. The operation of processing each element in the list is known as traversal. Which of the following is not a limitation of binary search algorithm? Binary search algorithm is not efficient when the data element are more than 1000. Two-dimensional array are also called tables arrays and metric arrays. A variable p is called pointer if p contains the address of an element in data. Which of the following data structure cannot store the non-homogeneous data element? Arrays. Which of the following data structure store the homogeneous data elements? Records. Each data item in a record may be a group item composed of sub-items. Those items which are indecomposable are called all of them elementary items, atoms, and scalars. Binary search algorithm cannot be applied to sorted linked list. When new data are to be inserted into a data structure but there is no available space, this situation is usually called overflow. The situation with when in a linked list start null is called underflow. Which of the following is two-way list? None of the above. Which of the following name does not relate stack? FIFO list. The term push and pop is related to stack. The term push and pop is related to stacks.